Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best shaving blades is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in a man's grooming arsenal, directly impacting comfort, closeness, and skin health with every use, making the right choice crucial for achieving that perfect, irritation-free shave whether you're maintaining a clean look or tidying up your beard lines. Number 5. Utopia Care Professional Straight Razor. Experience the art of a close shave with this professional-grade tool. It's designed for barbers and home users alike, offering unparalleled precision and control. This straight-edge razor prioritizes your safety without compromising on performance. Its ergonomic design ensures a secure grip for a smooth, confident shave every time. Never run out of sharpness. It comes complete with a generous pack of 100 high-quality blades, ensuring long-lasting value and consistent results. Whether you're a seasoned barber or prefer to groom at home, this razor is perfect for achieving that crisp, clean look. It adapts to your needs, delivering a superior shaving experience. Beyond its functionality, it boasts a sleek black finish that adds a touch of sophistication to your grooming kit. This elegant design complements any bathroom aesthetic. Changing blades is quick and hassle-free, making maintenance simple. This ensures you always have a fresh, sharp edge ready for your next shave. Elevate your daily routine with this exceptional straight razor. It's the ultimate tool for a professional, smooth, and satisfying shave. What we like. This offers a truly professional, barber-style shave experience. With 100 blades included, it provides exceptional long-term value. If you are looking for a classic, precise shave and appreciate a traditional grooming ritual, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Kitsch Dermaplane Razor. Discover the Kitsch Dermaplane Razor, your new essential for radiant skin. This versatile tool is designed to gently remove unwanted facial hair and dead skin cells. It's a simple step towards a brighter complexion. It's perfect for both women and men seeking a smoother complexion. This razor provides a safe and effective way to achieve professional-level exfoliation at home. Everyone can benefit from its gentle action. Beyond just your face, you can also precisely shape your eyebrows with ease. This multifunctional shaver helps refine your look with minimal effort. It offers versatility for various grooming needs. Experience the benefits of dermaplaning, which gently exfoliates the skin. It helps remove peach fuzz and dead skin, revealing a brighter, more even skin tone underneath. This process enhances your natural glow. Integrate this tool into your regular skincare routine for enhanced results. It prepares your skin for better absorption of serums and moisturizers, leaving it incredibly soft. You'll notice a significant difference in texture. Each pack contains 12 sleek black razors, ensuring you always have a fresh blade. They are ergonomically designed for comfortable and precise handling. This generous supply keeps your skin care routine consistent. What we like. These razors are specifically designed for dermaplaning and facial exfoliation. They help achieve smoother skin and precise eyebrow shaping. If you're seeking a multi-purpose tool for facial hair removal and skin rejuvenation, these are perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. Shaving Revolution Double-Edge Razor Blades. Discover a new standard in men's grooming. This product is engineered to transform your daily shave into a luxurious ritual. Made from platinum Japanese stainless steel, these blades offer unparalleled sharpness. They are designed for a consistently close and comfortable shave. Experience a shave that is remarkably smooth, incredibly precise, and impeccably clean. It glides effortlessly, reducing irritation and leaving your skin feeling refreshed. These safety blades are specifically designed for men, prioritizing comfort and minimizing nicks. You can trust them for a confident and secure shave every time. Each pack contains 50 high-quality blades, ensuring you have a steady supply. They offer long-lasting performance and incredible value for your grooming needs. Upgrade to a superior shave with these innovative blades. They deliver consistent results, making your morning routine something to look forward to. What we like. These premium blades are crafted from platinum Japanese stainless steel for superior sharpness. They deliver an incredibly smooth, precise, and clean shave. If you already own a safety razor and demand high-quality, long-lasting blades, these 50-count packs are an ideal upgrade. What people say. Number 2. Shaving Revolution Safety Razor. Experience the ultimate shave with this revolutionary safety razor. It's designed for precision and comfort, transforming your daily routine. Changing blades is incredibly simple thanks to its innovative butterfly open design. This feature ensures quick and secure blade replacement every time. Included are 10 premium Japanese stainless steel double-edged blades. They provide exceptional sharpness and durability for a consistently smooth shave. Achieve an incredibly close and clean shave with this precision instrument. It glides effortlessly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and smooth. Its long black handle offers superior grip and control, making every stroke confident. This 12-piece set provides everything you need for a premium shaving experience. What we like. This safety razor features a comfortable long handle for excellent grip and control. Its butterfly open mechanism makes blade changes quick and safe. If you prefer a classic, close shave with added reach and easy maintenance, this complete set is a fantastic starting point. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source data. The source JSON for reviews was empty. Number 1. Silver Professional Straight Razor Kit. Discover the art of a perfect shave with this premium kit. It's designed to provide an incredibly close and smooth finish, elevating your daily routine. You'll receive 50 high-quality single-edge blades, ensuring you're well-stocked for many shaves to come. These provide a consistently sharp and precise cut. Beyond the razor, this comprehensive set also includes essential scissors. They are perfect for trimming and detailing, making it a truly all-in-one solution. Whether you're a man seeking a superior home shave or a professional barber, this kit meets high standards. It offers the precision and durability expected from top-tier barber supplies. Experience the classic straight-edge shave with confidence and control. Its sleek silver design not only looks professional but also delivers exceptional performance every time. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything needed for a professional straight razor shave. It includes 50 single blades and even a pair of grooming scissors. If you are looking for a full, all-in-one package to master the art of straight razor shaving and grooming, this kit is perfectly suited. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.